Okay, this video is in response to sort of the modifications I said in my last video. So as I said, I would have removed this section here to here. So I'm hoping that this will allow sort of more of a sliding sort of adjustment for the blade, as opposed to getting that like real sort of height straight away. Hoping maybe at the very least sort of a little height is needed just to get the blade over the height of the food. So that was my first issue. The second is actually how it produced its slices. Not only was it that the food was being stopped by sort of the piece that has now been removed, but also the attachment was unable to cut because it couldn't get higher. The blade, sorry, couldn't get higher than the food. So my solution to this is this groove here, and also this piece, which is laid into like this. And the aim is that the user can actually adjust the height by pulling the blade up. Now notice I'm sort of dragging it over the top here. That won't actually happen. What I sort of aimed to do was put in grooves here, in the aim that the blade would go actually up into these grooves, and so these corners would actually be inside the base. The only issue with that is the feet, the structure I use to increase the feet on, which will actually sort of be this height and placed here in the middle here. There'll be a hole drilled in. So my idea is that these grooves are very close, and this whole blade is actually very close to the edge there, and it's just a slight groove that lets it slip in and then be pushed back out again. Sort of what I've done of modelling, I'm sort of hoping that it won't interfere with the feet. My guess is, and sort of like from what I've sort of modelled, is that it shouldn't, but you never know. So, and I don't know if I ever really know, because I don't know if I actually get a proper chance to model it other than on like CAD or something like that. Okay, so finally then, this goes here, sort of very roughly, and as you can see, our food here. So we raise the blade, higher than the food, like so. And then maybe, as I said, it just needs that little bit of height just to get it over, and then this bit now will be used to push the food just most of the way through, and then finally down on this, and hopefully that will come to rest like this, and we'd have a slice on the other side. But here's hoping.